Why does your dog sneeze when playing? It might not be a cold at all. If your dog sneezes only during play, that is often completely normal. Many dogs do something called a play sneeze. It is a short, harmless sneeze that happens when they get excited. Play sneezing can help dogs show that the interaction is friendly. You may notice it during bowing, bouncing, chasing, or rough play. Sometimes dust, grass, strong scents, or fast breathing can trigger it too. If your dog is healthy and it happens only during fun, it is usually not a problem. But sneezing outside playtime can mean something different. Watch for nasal discharge, coughing, pawing at the nose, or breathing trouble. That could point to irritation, allergies, or something stuck in the nose. Flat-faced breeds may also sneeze more during excitement. If your dog play sneezes, tell me when they do it most in the comments.